Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name's Caitlin from grayflorals.com, as many of you know, and today we have an extra special treat for today's video. I am at a local Scrapbook Expo, and I'll put links down to the below for this expo. I'm not 100% sure of the title because they are in other states, and I just wanted to show you guys what I'll be looking at here, what I'll be buying. So come with me into my local Scrapbook Expo.
The snack bar will close at 5.
I said they were really cool. Check them out. Oh, so it's the dice. Okay.
Hi guys, so as you saw in there, it was pretty hectic. There's lots of different booths. It's set up sort of like any sort of festival or fair where there's little stalls that you go to. I showed you an overview as well, a shot of overview. So it wasn't too big, but it wasn't too small. I spent about 2 hours in there and I went through all the shops at least twice. So I wanted to film a haul for you. Obviously you guys want to see what I got, and instead of waiting to get home, I'm going to film it now in the car. So first, this isn't in order anyway. This is just how the bags came in the car. So probably spent too much money. Let's just start off with that. First, I went to Double Trouble Scrapbooking Inc. And I'd like to encourage all of you guys to visit these stores that I mentioned online. I know sometimes they have sales that also apply online. And I've shopped from these places online as well. So they're very nice people. I got a couple papers from there. I got some photoplay paper. This is from the Mad Plaid collection. Oh, Mad 4 Plaid collection. So I got 2 from that. And their pattern paper was 2 for $1, which I don't think I got on camera because this is one of the last stores that I filmed because I was full of stuff in my arms. I have this paper from Studio Calico called Elliot 5. It's just arrows on both sides. And then I picked up this crepe paper pattern from the I Heart Day collection. So I got the cut aparts, and then this. I like both. I don't know which one I'm going to use, but I didn't have any of that collection before, so I decided to buy that one. And people are staring at me because it's weird that I'm filming in the car. This one's from Pink Paisley's Bella Rouge. Cute. I love crosses. And then this old basic gray barista paper I had to get. And this pattern here. So that's all I got from Double Trouble Scrapbooking, so $6 there. Even though it's not the cheapest price I could pay for paper, I wanted to buy it from them as well. Then I have a bunch of smaller things from other places. So I went to the Eyelet outlet and found some adorable things. Now I've wanted enamel hearts for so long, and the Illustrated Faith ones are just too expensive for me, and these are on sale for $2 each. So I got the colors that they had. So they had this pink and red set. They had like a Disney set, which I considered red, yellow, and black, and then they had a pastel set. And here comes someone else to watch me film, which is really awkward. And then I also picked up these since I was in a Disney mood. These are just some crystal Mickeys. They also had enamel dot Mickeys, but I like the size of these ones better. And again, $2. So that's what I got from Eyelet Outlet, and that's just eyeletoutlet.com. And Double Trouble Scrapbooking is the same as well, just doubletroublescrapbooking.com. So let me put that back in the bag. And then I have a couple things from Close to My Heart. If you want to buy any of the things from Close to My Heart, I recommend finding a distributor near you, because that's the best thing to do instead of the distributor near me. But she was very nice. So I got this one that was on sale, this little paw print stamp, one of their smaller sets, but I really like it. And then this one was on clearance for $7. Let's see what it's called. Feel So Blessed Stamp of the Month. So I just thought some of these would be so great. Like these would be great for Project Life, and then the arrow. All of these would be so great in Project Life as well as cards. And I really like this quote, which says, "There are so many beautiful reasons to be thankful." It's just so cute. I couldn't not get it. And they come in the storage packets, which, I mean, $7 for stamps, that's really steep for me. But that's because I'm so frugal. And there are more people coming to watch me talk to myself. I also went to Write at Home, which is a stamp company, but I didn't buy any of their stamps. I did buy a couple of tools from them though, because they had nice deals on those. So these EK Success Tweezers, everyone seems to have. I got them for half off, so they're only $3.50, and they're the kind that automatically close, which is really nice. And then I also got what I really wanted for a while. It's the Marvy jewel picker. So it has 2 ends where you can pick up sequins or jewels. Here's a little picture on the back. So it's a little sticky tip that can glue down jewels much more easily than I can. And I've complained in my videos before, especially on the Spiegelmop Scrap channel, since I've been using sequins so often now, that I need something to pick up my sequins with. And now I have tweezers option and a jewel picker option. So again, that's from Write at Home, and they're just writeathomeshop.com. I'll try to link all the ones that I filmed or anything that were at least here in the description box so you guys can shop there and support some small businesses. Lastly, where I spent the most money, I think, actually I thought I bought a lot more stuff than I did. but that's okay, was Impression Obsession. And if you watched last year's video or haul from the Scrapbook Expo, Impression Obsession was there last year too, and I bought some stuff. This year I went a little crazy. I had to get this $3 clearance stamp set with these little kitties. I have 2 cats. They're not long hair, but this is just really cute. And sorry for the lighting change. But this was $3 and it says Whiskers and Purrs, and it has some flowers and some cats. So, and it's called, I have no idea, Whiskers and Purrs. That makes sense. I found some dies on clearance. There's this one that says Love, and it has the line connecting to it, so you connect this to a card very easily, and this was $4.40. So I don't know if these are just on clearance for the show or if they're just on sale for the show, but the numbers are on here so you guys can search them. And then I got this beautiful Thanks die for $7, which is very ornate. And then lastly, I got this rubber stamp background. Now I don't have any background stamps that are cling, but I got this one for $10. It's a cover a card brand, and this one's called Scribble Roses. I thought this would be really playful for the cat stamps and a bunch of other playful things and birthday cards, and hopefully this will be my card video soon. But I hope you guys enjoyed my little haul here, and hopefully you'll see these items soon being used because I need to use more of my stuff. But as an update, I know I haven't been posting as many process videos as I normally do on here, but if you haven't heard the news, I joined the Spiegel Mom Scraps design team, which I'm really excited about. So I'm uploading over on their channel as well now. So if you want to see a lot of fun ways to use sequins, come visit me over there. I'm uploading on Tuesdays over there and on my channel. So Wild Whispers here on my channel on most Tuesdays every other month. And then Spiegel Mom Scraps is every Tuesday on their channel. And I'm also going to try to upload my personal process videos on Saturdays coming up as soon as we're in between moves. So everything's a little bit more hectic, but I hope you guys enjoyed this little haul and experience. And again, I'll have all the information to these shops and to the Scrapbook Expo, or whatever it's called. It's not exactly the Scrapbook Expo. It's like Rubber Stamp and Expo and all these other things. So you guys can check them out, and I think you should highly encourage you to look up for expos in your area, whether they're stamping or scrapbooking. They've got stuff for both, so definitely worth trying a little bit of a sneak peek at Google and trying to find one. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave me a comment telling me what your favorite thing that I bought was, or that you saw was, or if there's something you saw and you want more information on, I can try to find it for you. Just let me know where you saw it in the video and I can help you out. But thank you guys so much again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!